Hey guys, today I'm gonna make proper Dhaba Style Egg Curry at home with the simple spices and it's gonna be really delicious. So let's start. These all are ingredients we need to make Dhaba Style Egg Curry. So here is my ginger garlic paste, boiled egg. I'm using ghee, but you can use the mustard oil as well. So 2-3 spoons of ghee. When ghee and oil heated well, then we're gonna add some mustard seed, then we're gonna add some whole spices, bay leaf, cloves, black peppers, cinnamon sticks, and some cumin seed. 1 onion slice, and we're gonna saute well, some salt, so it will be help to cook your onion quickly. So we're gonna wait till when the onion golden brown. Fresh ginger garlic paste. Then I'm gonna add 3 tomato slices. Stir well until it's cooked. Half a spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chili powder, dry fenugreek leaf, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some salt, and then we're gonna add some water. Cook the gravy until oil come on the top. That means your gravy is ready. Now I'm gonna do shallow fry the egg. So guys, I'm using fork, but you can use a knife. So all the spices and marination egg can absorb. Ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder, salt, and some red chili powder, and here is ready for shallow fry. Heated pan with the butter or oil. Fry until the skin golden brown. Sauce is ready, almost done. So here I'm gonna add the fried egg. Here we go. Some chopped coriander on the top and ready to serve. Thank you very much guys for watching, and we'll see you with the next recipe. Hope so you will enjoy, like and subscribe my channel.